Hey, what's up, everybody? Billy here. I wanted to make this quick video for a friend, an affiliate marketing friend. If you guys don't know me, my name is Billy, and I've been doing affiliate marketing business model to make extra income, and for probably a few years now. Actually, probably more like five, but only successfully the last few years. Did a lot of fumbling in the beginning, but that's okay because I'm where I'm at now. But affiliate marketing I love because it allows me to be able to bring home extra money without doing a lot of stuff. So like 95% of the stuff is done for you. And so I have a friend of mine who has been doing affiliate marketing for a while. Their preferred traffic source is paid traffic because they don't want to um, you know, get on social media and make TikTok videos or YouTube videos. They just don't want to spend a lot of time doing that. They're retired and they have big goals and they want a simple business model. And, therefore she started affiliate marketing as well. But she was wanting a strategy on how to use solo ads, which is by far the push button traffic source out there. So if you're a busy individual, solo ads is definitely an option in terms of getting traffic to your offers. But she's been buying a lot of traffic and not seeing the results she'd like to see. So what I'm going to do here is I generate traffic a lot of different ways. Facebook being one of them. You can see here I have a banner, a bio, and then a way to get into some coaching like I did that helped me succeed with affiliate marketing. I also do some simple TikTok videos, nothing crazy here, but it's a way to get traffic. I also have a YouTube channel where I try to make simple videos to get in traffic that way. And another way, all this is what I consider organic, right? So I'm using my time to get traffic, but I also love paid traffic, and that is my main traffic strategy. And one of the paid traffic sources that I use is solo ads. So I've been using solo ads for years, so I know how to convert that traffic. And it's just a little bit. It's a little bit of mindset shift when using solo ads compared to YouTube. And so I'm just going to give her a quick strategy. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, I mean, you may be able to pick something up from here as well. It's not the only way; it's just a way, especially to use solo ads. So I think she's using Leads Leap, which I don't know anything about, but basically, if you have a way to build a capture page and you have an autoresponder, you can do this method that I'm going to show you. So, with that being said, my friend, now solo ads is, like I said, a pay per click traffic source, and basically you're renting somebody else's email list. Now, what does that mean, guys? Like that means that you're going to their the email owner is going to send an email to their list of subscribers. Okay, and that email, whenever the recipient gets it, and they like the copy, they're going to be told to click. Once they click on that link inside their email, then they're going to come to your capture page. And if they like what they see on your capture page, they're going to give you their email address and therefore your offer, right? So that's how you convert somebody else's email list and make it your own, right? So, with that being said, with any paid traffic source, the best thing you can do, right, is to get a high opt-in rate. It's just more bang for your buck, right? So one of the things you need to work on there is the opt-in rate, and then once you get that settled in, then you can work on the autoresponder side, which is optimizing your open rates, optimizing your click rates, and then obviously optimizing for sales. So if we start from the beginning of that, it's an opt-in page. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my builder here and show you guys a simple capture page that should produce, over 50% with most solo ad traffic sources. And as you can see here, This is it, guys. I mean, I'm sure you've seen a lot of different pages, right? And I'm not saying this is the only type of page that will work with solo ads, but what I am saying is it's a very generic capture page that can get you more subscribers. And the more subscribers you get on the front end means more eyeballs on your offer. So, and if you look at it, it's if you think about where the traffic is coming, right? It's coming from an email, right? So inside that email, you have no control over what that email is going to say. So if you think about it, if a solo ad provider writes an email talking about here's how you can make $100 a day, click here, and then they come to your opt-in page and it says, here's how to make $25 a day. There's going to be a disconnect there, right? But you can see with a page like this, it doesn't matter what email the solo ad provider writes, right? Like this is going to kind of go with the continued flow. So it doesn't matter what email they write, the person clicks and they're going to say, hey, almost done, confirm your email. Boom, they give you their email. And for me, the next page is a thank you page, right? So congratulations, your access has been approved. And right here, if they click there, they're going to get to see my offer. And you can see here, I just put a picture here just to build a little bit of know um, right here. But basically, once they click here, this is where I get eyeballs on my offer. And then from there, then they go over to my autoresponder, right? Which is where I'm going to deliver the ebook, which you can see I promised here, right here. And then we'll move on from there. But so right back here, like, if you have leads leap, that's fine. But what if you can duplicate a page like this inside leads leap, then I would highly recommend it, especially if you're going to be buying solo ads, and then test it for yourself. And you'll see that you're probably going to get a lot higher open rate. I think on your last traffic campaign, you got like around a 20% opt-in rate. So using a page like this, you may get 50, even 60% opt-in rate, right? So you're going to be getting more leads for your money, which is a great thing. So, and then here you can either have a page like this, or you can have it go straight to the offer. So this is how I'm using this page, but again, you can have it go straight to the offer. So that's basically the type of page that I would use for solo ads. You can change this stuff up how you want, but keeping it something like this very simple is definitely the way to go. So with that being said, like that's how the kind of page I would use to convert email traffic and get that onto your list. So let's move on to the autoresponder. All right, so one of the most important things, guys, when using solo ads, guys, is coming in here into your autoresponder and setting up segmentation. Okay, so basically, what I have going on here is when a lead comes in, I'm going to send them an email right away, right, giving them what they asked for, and basically, if they open that email, which I have this automation here, then they're going to get sent the rest of the follow up. And I have seven, maybe seven emails that go out. And once they're done with those seven emails, then I actually send them to a new list where I broadcast them every single day, meaning I send an email to them every single day, sometimes even 2 to 3 times a day. Okay. So this is one of the biggest mindset shifts as well, is like, people come in here, they want to email once a week, but you got to remember that where the traffic's coming from. They're getting emails, guys, and they're getting a lot of emails from a lot of different people, right? So if you're just sending one email a week, you're definitely losing money. So I would send minimum one a day with this traffic source, and I wouldn't. It's not a bad thing to send 2 times a day. So if we come back to the top here, if they don't open, I'm going to give them a little bit of a chance, 24 hours to open that first initial email. And if they don't open that, then I'm just going to get rid of them. Now, this is pretty aggressive, right? So this is my email and strategy. And that's because of my lead source, right? So I have about 500 leads coming in a day. They are good quality, but if they're not going to open my emails, I don't want them on my email list. So this is why I'm pretty aggressive here. And it's a partnership email list, so the leads are really cheap for me. But so if you wanted to put here, wait 2 weeks, you can do that, right? So But one of the things you'll realize when it comes to using solo ad traffic and email marketing is that um, you have to get your emails delivered. If you're going to spam, if you're going to promotions, nobody's going to see your emails, right, guys? I mean, that's pretty obvious. So when it comes to email marketing and paid traffic, guys, you have to make sure that your autoresponder is set up properly. And the way you do that is the first thing by adding your SPF record and your DKIM to your website, and this will help with deliverability. And whenever you have traffic coming in, if you're only emailing the people that open your emails, then you're going to have a high deliverability rate. And therefore, your domain is going to do a lot better. Active campaign, get response, Aweber, they're going to they're going to favor your domain, and they're going to send your email to more people's inboxes, right? So it's pretty important. So the best way you can do that to make sure that your autoresponders is on your side by adding your SPF record, your DKIM, and then setting up segmentation here to where if people aren't going to open your emails, you're not going to send them one. You're only going to send them, um, the ones who open are the only people who are going to see your emails. And then from there, guys, it's really, again, I have 7 emails here and an autoresponder. Some people do 30, 60, 90. I do 7 days, guys. I don't promote high ticket offers with this traffic source. I promote low ticket that have back end funnels. So basically, like a front end product of, like, say, $7, sometimes even free. But inside their funnel, they have upsells where I can earn off as well. So that's the kind of offers I use here. So basically, the offer that I'm sharing right now with this email list, guys, is this is another thing that I'll tell you as well. Um, I'm not sure what type of offers you're promoting. But there are other affiliate offers out there. Now you can go to like Warrior Plus, you can go to ClickBank, you can go to JVZoo and find affiliate offers. Okay. And usually you'll earn 20%, 30%, maybe 50%, right? But there are programs out there, for example, like the one I share with my email list, that's paying 80% commissions. I mean, that's almost like having your own offer without having to deliver the product, do the customer service or anything. So I always find it funny that, people would promote a product that they get paid 35% commissions whenever there's products out there that you can earn 80% commissions. So basically, after you see the page, after they come here, then they're going to come to a page like this, right? Which this is how I can earn income. So they'll read here, they'll watch the video here, and if they want the all-in-one business, they'll click here and they'll come to the order page. And this is how I make 80% commissions. The great thing about this one is that 80% commissions are recurring monthly. So all I had to do is to work one time and I can earn commission. So this would be something great if you could find an offer like this for yourself to where you'll be easily and quickly profitable to where you can have that extra income to feed the hunger kids in your area that you were talking about. But it's not the only type of offer, right? It's just something I'm showing you because I haven't seen offers like you promote. But these are some one that I promote that pay very well, and that's great if you're looking to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And then I basically have a 7 day follow up for this offer. And then I email every single day after the 7 days, twice daily, sending them back to a page like this or to one of the other pages we got. So we got this here, we got a free ebook. We have Think and Grow Rich masterminds that I can send people to for this offer. And That's the strategy that I use with solo ad traffic. So I hope that was helpful to you. And like I said, you have different software, but you should be able to replicate a page like this. And if not, you can let me know. But anyway, I hope that was useful. And if it was, give me a thumbs up. If you have any other questions, definitely leave them in the comment section here on YouTube, and I'll definitely get back to you.